This tutorial reviewer will show you how to cancel Apple Music subscription or stop Apple Music free trial. First of all, open your browser and go to music.apple.com. Choose sign in at the top of the page. If you don't see the sign in, skip this step. Tap or click the account icon. Choose settings. Scroll to subscriptions and choose manage. Choose cancel subscription. And that's how you will be able to cancel your Apple Music subscription. If you still need help, then follow these steps. If you couldn't cancel your subscription at music.apple.com, then cancel your subscription in settings. If you pay for Apple Music with Google Pay, you can cancel your subscription only in the Apple Music app on your Android device or at play.google.com. If you still can't cancel your Apple Music subscription, then you have to contact Apple support. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.